Hi guys! Thanks to the kind support from ACEMIC, today I'm recording for you with brand new gear. They're wireless microphones designed especially for accordion. They are super practical, easy to set up and perfect for concerts or jam sessions where mobility really matters. And look how professional it looks. Let's get back to Black Orpheus and 3 easy ways to play Bossa Nova. Let's go!